and welcome to Perrotis College
at the American Farm School here in beautiful Thessaloniki, Greece. Today we're going to give you a taste of one of the favorite activities you can do when you study abroad at Perrotis College, which is a cooking class from an authentic Greek individual who is standing right next to me. Let's start with some introductions so we get to know each other. This is Miss Katerina Stamatika. Most importantly, she is a Greek mother of two. However, here her actual job title is the Academic Learning Specialist, where she's been working here for over 15 years.
And next to me, beautiful Kate, Canadian American. She lives with us for 2 years now, and she's our fellow. She helps us in Study USA students and in residence hall. Our common interest, good food, Greek food, and cooking.
Yes, I know how to eat it. I don't know how to cook it, so that's what I am here to learn today. Hopefully I'll pick up a couple tips from you.
Okay, let's start. I think we said enough words.
Yeah, let's get moving. We have a lot to do.
Okay, now today we're gonna prepare two foods. One is called tzatziki. I think it's pretty famous. It's not actually a food, it's a dip.
Okay.
And the other one is dolmadakia, which is a Greek food. We usually cook it during spring, and it's gonna take us a little bit more time than tzatziki.
Okay, let's start with the easy one. I don't want to get too complicated at the beginning.
Okay. So we have our yogurt here in our bowl. Are you gonna help me?
Yeah, I want to help. Tell me what to do.
Okay, so I want you to peel off the cucumber and shred it here.
Okay,
Can
so
you do that?
peel first, then shred.
Yes.
Okay, I think I can handle that.
Okay, now here inside the yogurt, we're gonna pour a little bit of oil.
Okay.
We're gonna smash 2
Garlic cloves.
exactly. The recipe is for a whole cucumber.
Okay. All right, I think I'm ready to grate it. Should I do it over the yogurt?
No, here in the bowl.
Okay.
Okay. I will tell you why though. Okay. Yes. Great. Perfect, Kate. You're doing a great job.
I'm great at grating. What can I say?
Okay. I'm gonna have to put a little bit of salt here.
Okay.
So I'm sorry. Okay, thank you. I know I'm entering your personal space, but
I'm in Greece. I'm used to
okay.
being close to people.
Different cultures, different foods. Okay. Then we'll taste it and we'll see if we're gonna need more salt or more garlic, or how do we want it to be.
Okay.
And after we finish it, usually we put the tzatziki into the refrigerator.
Okay.
So because we want it cold.
And what do you eat tzatziki with? Like I'm used to eating it with chips and carrots and celery.
No. Let's do not destroy the tzatziki.
Okay.
Tzatziki is a dip, but we usually have it as a side dish with our meat.
Oh, okay.
Different kind of meats and gyros.
Gyros.
Yes.
In the US, I always call them gyros.
No, it's gyros. Okay, great. Now I want you, Kate, to do me a favor and just squeeze the cucumber so all the water is going to come out.
Okay, that's a new technique.
Yeah, we don't want our tzatziki to be too watery.
Okay.
And I will tell you a little tip. My grandmother and women in older days that they didn't have all the comforts we do and all the cosmetics.
Yeah.
They used to take this juice of the cucumber, put it in a small cup of Greek coffee, put it in the refrigerator, and later on of the day, when they finished all of their activities and jobs and cooking, they would put it onto their faces.
Oh, like a natural face mask.
Yeah, so they can be cool and nice and have a feeling of, taking care of myself after a hard day. And after all the masks in our days, the summer
They
face
all
of
have cucumber in them.
yeah, exactly. And we're gonna put our last touch, which is a little bit of
dill.
Yeah, and
So we just chop that up in there?
now we're gonna do it the Greek way.
Oh, what's that?
This way.
Oof, okay. Advanced techniques. Don't know if I'm there yet.
After cooking so long, you know how to do it. So, and again, we put as much as we want.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow.
And it's almost ready. Can you smell? Yeah. We're going to put this into the refrigerator.
Okay.
And we're going to use it later on with our dolmadakia.
Okay.
Because not only with the meat, but it's a great dip for our dolmadakia.
Okay, so let's move on to the second part.
Okay, now we're going to start cooking the dolmadakia, our second recipe.
Okay, and what are dolmadakia?
Dolmadakia.
Dolmadakia.
Yes.
Okay, and what are those exactly?
They are stuffed grape leaves with rice and herbs.
That's why we have this plate of leaves in front of me.
Yes, exactly.
I think it's pretty cool that in the Mediterranean diet you can cook with all parts of the plant. Like it's not usual for me to just eat leaves, so I'm excited to see how they turn out.
So let's start cooking because it's going to take us a long time. So,
okay, just tell me what you need me to do. I'm ready.
Okay, we are gonna we have half cup of oil here in the pan. It's pretty warm now, and we are going to pour the onion.
Okay, wonderful.
Yeah. And then we're gonna pour the fresh green onions.
So, okay, those look like scallions to me. Is that what those are?
Fresh Greek onions.
Okay, fresh green Greek onions. That's fine.
Okay, so
lots of onion in this. Love it.
yeah. And thank you. We're gonna.
So we cook that.
Yeah, we cook that for like 2-3 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, now after a couple of minutes here, okay, we're gonna pour the rice.
Okay.
We have 2 cups of white rice.
Okay.
Okay. Every time we pour something, we need couple minutes.
Okay.
So we have the oil, the fresh and dry onions, the rice, and now we're gonna use our herbs, which is dill and mint. And all of our herbs are coming, they're fresh, and they're coming from our Perrotis educational farm.
I can smell them from here. They're so amazing.
Now, after again, we're waiting for a couple of minutes, we're gonna put salt and pepper. Do you wanna try?
Salt? Yes. Is this?
Yes, this is salt.
Okay. So just like.
You're with your eye.
With my eye, okay.
Yeah. No. You know, how much do you think it needs?
You are the expert here, so tell me when.
It depends. How salty do we want them?
Pretty salty.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Okay.
Great, Kate.
Trying to be helpful.
And a little bit of pepper, please.
A little bit of pepper, okay. Here we go.
Here's another cow. Paper. Okay. Great. Now, after a couple of minutes again, we don't want them to become dark. We want to see them nice and green and fresh and to smell them.
I can certainly smell it now. It's amazing.
We're gonna pour a little bit of lemon. But not all of it, because we're gonna use the rest of it later on. I will show you.
Okay. All right. Let's put that to the side.
Can you hear the noise now? That's why that's
the sautéing of the.
That's not sautéing. It's cigarizo.
Cigarizo.
Yes, because of the sound. Cheer, 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 cheer. All the ingredients are making that noise.
Ah, that's very smart. It sounds like the verb itself. The
cigarizo.
Okay.
So we have our rice here with no water,
Nothing.
with the lemon juice, and we're gonna have it in a little bit low temperature for about 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Okay.
Yes. And then, after 10 minutes, we are going to have this ready product.
Woo! Wow.
Can you smell it?
Yeah. Wow.
Amazing, huh? And now,
I'm getting so hungry.
here comes the most exciting part.
Which is rolling them. Oh, goodness.
We have the grape leaves here.
Yeah.
The recipe we're making now is about for 120 stuffed grape leaves.
120?
Yes, that's too much. But because they're small, you know, you cannot eat only one.
And I can get practice rolling them. By my 120th dolmadakia, I will
going to be an expert.
Amazing.
Yeah. Okay, so let's be very careful, but please let me take my gloves off.
Okay.
Okay. I cannot do that with my gloves on. So
You have experienced hands. You need to feel the
yeah,
food.
okay. Okay, now we're taking one of the leaf carefully.
Okay.
Okay. And we're putting the rough side up.
The rough side up,
smooth
okay.
side down. Okay?
This is a small one.
And we're gonna use a small.
I ripped that one. Put that to
That's
the
okay,
side.
don't worry, we have plenty of them.
Okay, this one I'll be more
Great.
delicate with. Here we
Yeah.
go. Okay, so rough
Put it-
side up.
Yes, great, Kate. But this side in front of you, like
okay.
this one.
Like this.
Yeah, perfect. We're gonna use, I'm sorry, entering again your personal space, but we are in Greece.
We're in Greece.
And we're gonna have a little bit of
Okay.
a teaspoon in here.
That doesn't really seem like very much.
No, but do not forget, the rice is expanding.
Okay. Oh, yeah, and we don't want it to break the leaf.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, so let me.
Your turn. Okay, great. Now, be careful. We're gonna do this really tight and nice, and then
Okay, I see. It doesn't seem too hard. Well,
no, it is.
I'll give it a try.
And here comes our first
so cute.
Yalazi dolmadaki.
Okay, so
Great, your turn. Okay,
okay.
wonderful.
Oh.
I think you put. That's okay.
Okay,
Don't worry.
I think I broke this one.
That's okay. Let's try another one. I think you put too much rice on. That's why.
Yeah, I think that's the
Okay, let's
issue
try.
here.
Okay. Don't worry. Leave it over here. Yeah, exactly. And now let's get another one.
Learn. You have to learn by doing.
Exactly. I had to try so many times.
How often do you make dolmadakia for your family?
Not that often now because I don't have much time because as you can see it's gonna take us forever here.
Yeah.
But
I feel very
At
special that you're making them with me.
yeah, but at least twice a year. And once with meat.
Okay, so rough side up.
Exactly. The two sides
Folding in.
folding in and
Okay.
then you roll. Here is another one.
Wow, yours are looking very cute, and mine will look. Mine will taste good. Mine will
Yeah.
taste good, mostly because you did the cooking, but whatever.
Okay, you don't need more.
Okay.
That's enough rice. Okay.
Okay, so up from the bottom,
And then
fold in from the side.
yes. Great, Kate.
This is great.
And again,
Up there.
again with your finger, you help it a little bit. You roll it. And yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Okay,
Woo,
great.
look at that.
Fantastic.
Okay, now we just have, 116 to go?
Yeah. But because I knew it's going to take us that long.
Oh, look at you.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. And that's the way we put them in the pan.
In this particular order here.
Yes, exactly. And again, because we don't want them while they are boiling to have all the rice outside of the leaves.
Of course.
So put even this one, put them in here.
Okay. In the same pattern?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, exactly.
So you can put them on top of each other in the pan.
Yes. Great, Kate. You learned so much today. I'm proud of you.
Oh, it's because I have a good teacher. Okay, we'll put this little broken one off to the side here.
Yeah.
He'll be okay.
Now we're gonna keep doing all of them. We're
Okay.
gonna fill the pan. Not now, but if we wanna boil them and cook them now, we are gonna pour the rest of the oil.
So much oil in Greek cooking. I love it. It's the best olive oil in the world.
And it's cheaper here. So
I think I could drink the olive oil, honestly. I'm
it's
not
so
going
healthy,
to, but
so healthy. And of course we put 5 cups of warm water.
okay.
Okay. And now the other grandmother's little secret.
Oh.
We are taking a plate.
Okay.
Upside down.
Instead
Put
of
it in the.
Oh, right in the pan.
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
Okay. And then this rock.
That's what this is for. Okay.
Yeah. And we put it on the top. And you know why? Because we need something heavy on the top, because we're going to slow cook them for 1 hour.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah. And we don't want, again, the rice to come out or for the leaves to unfold. And that was my grandmother's cooking rock, but I'm still using it. So
that's pretty cool. You've passed this down amongst generations, and it's still being used to cook dolmadakia. That's pretty cool.
That is Greek cooking. It's not only the recipe, but it's about, love and heritage and little secrets from generation to generation.
Yeah.
So let's put the pan in on the top of here.
Okay.
Yeah, fantastic. And we're still gonna put the lid, on the top.
So it's dolmadakia, plate, rock, lid. I'll have to find my own cooking stone, and then I can pass that generation to generation.
Maybe I will give you one before you go back.
Yes,
home.
an authentic Greek cooking rock. Wow, what a souvenir.
Okay, now we're gonna slow cook the dolmadakia for almost an hour. And then
that's a long time.
After an hour of cooking and smelling the herbs, our final products are here.
I've been waiting for this part.
Dolmadakia ready. Tzatziki is nice out of the refrigerator and cold. And it's about time to taste them.
This is the part where I'm an expert, you're an expert at the cooking, I'm an expert at the eating, so I feel very confident in this part of the day.
Yeah. Okay. And it's about culture, it's about love, it's about gathering the family together, it's about smells and memories, and it's about philoxenia. It's a Greek word.
Yeah.
Google it, please.
Yeah, I don't know that
one. It means
one.
the friends of foreigners. It's how we welcome people here in Greece. Greek philoxenia and Greek cooking.
I feel really welcome here, being able to learn from you, learn all of these traditions, not only the recipes, but the heritage that goes behind it with the cucumber and the cooking stone. I think it's really just such a special experience. So thank you for welcoming me into a little bit of your family, if I can say that.
Yes, of course. You're part of our family now after 2 years.
That's so sweet. Okay, I don't want to talk anymore. I want to eat. So can I try it, please?
Yes, of course, please.
I'm going to do it the Greek way as well. I'm not going to use a fork. I'm learning.
It was worth it, I think.
That's amazing.
Great.
So join us here at Perrotis College, where you can learn more about the Mediterranean diet, about Greek culture, Greek traditions from the best, from people like Miss Katerina Stamatika, who knows everything there is to know. I'm so thankful that we've had this experience together.
It was so nice cooking with you, Kate, and we're waiting for all of you here to come to Perrotis College.